Hello students, welcome to EVS2 class standard 5th academic year 2020-2021. Today's topic is history and the concept of time. In our last session we have seen the two concepts of it. Now today in this session we are going to learn about the historical periods. We learned in the first session that history is a science that tells us about events that had happened in the past. We also learned that every bygone moment makes up the past. The past is the subject matter of history. The period of history goes back to the time of the birth of our सोलर सिस्टम. जब हमारे सोलर सिस्टम ने जन्म लिया था तब से हमारी हिस्ट्री स्टार्ट हुई है. Our solar system came into being about 4.5 billion years ago. Our Earth planet is a planet in the solar system, so it is presumed that the Earth was also formed 4.5 billion years ago. The span of 4.5 billion years since the Earth's formation is a vast period of टाइम. बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम है ना बच्चा. अगर हम सोचें कि 4 बिलियन ईयर्स अगो की बात है तो कितना ज़्यादा टाइम है इसमें. Therefore, the time in history is divided into two main periods. First one is the prehistoric period. Second is the historic period. Let's learn about the prehistoric period. It simply means before history. It is the period where no written records are available to write its हिस्ट्री. मतलब ये वो टाइम है प्री हिस्टोरिक पीरियड जहाँ पे बहुत सारे इवेंट्स ने प्लेस ली है लेकिन उसका कोई भी मतलब रिटन रिकॉर्ड नहीं है अवेलेबल जिसके बेसिस पे हिस्ट्री लिखी जाए. कुछ कुछ एविडेंसेस सोर्सेज ऑफ हिस्ट्री से हमें सिर्फ पता चलता है कि ये इवेंट्स हुए बट उसका कोई भी रिटन रिकॉर्ड नहीं है, इसलिए इट इज़ नॉट मैंशन इन दी हिस्ट्री. The next is the historic period. It is the period for which written records are available using which we can write it. As I told, now in this historical period, ये ऐसा time period है जहाँ पे written records available है, जहाँ पे history लिखी गई है. Now what we have learned till here students, let's summarize it. The time when our solar system came into being is about 4.5 billion years ago. Our Earth is a planet of the solar system. The two main periods in history are prehistoric and historic periods. The period for which no written records are available is prehistoric period. The period for which written records are available is historic period. There is an assignment. You all have to write in your EVS2 CW book. Let's see the question answers. When did our solar system come into being? Our solar system came into being about 4.5 billion years ago. Next, which two main periods is the time in history divided? The time in history is divided into two main periods, that is prehistoric period and historic period. What is prehistoric period? The prehistoric period is the period for which no written records are available. What is historic period? The period for which written records are available from which history is written is known as historic period. Thank you students for watching this video. I hope you have understood till here. In another next session, we will conclude the lesson. Okay students, bye bye. Take care. Have a good day.